look guys, I want to show you my pambahay outfit for today. Ayan, this one guys, my crop top. I buy this for only 30 pesos. OMG, I really love it guys. Pack na pack siya. And my shorts guys for only 50 pesos. So, ayan, meron na naman akong pangrampa guys. Rapa pam pam pam, rapa pam pam pam. Taku iyang lugar. Ayan guys, kinulang tayo ng harapan guys. Ayan, I'm so happy of my ano guys, nabiling crop top for 30 pesos. Ayan, pack na pack naman talaga siya guys. And my high waist shorts. Ayan, I really love it guys. Pack na pack siya. Ayan, oh. So for only 80 pesos guys. Ayan, yung aking pambahay outfit for today. Ayan, super ganda yung aking nabiling crop top guys. Oh, ayan kasi, alam mo guys, ayan, multiple out kasi to siya. Ayan, bagsak presyo na siya guys. So, that's why I'm so happy. I'm so happy guys because, ayan, nakatipid ako. Because I don't have budget to buy a expensive dress. So, ayan, I'm so happy. Ayan, so hot guys. So hot here. I'm sweating. Ayan guys, kakatapos ko nga lang po maligo guys. And this is my pambahay outfit for today. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya guys. Ayan o. My pambahay outfit for today. Rafa pam pam pam, rafa pam pam pam. Taku I'm so happy of my crop top guys. I buy this for only 30 pesos. Tragis. Ayan guys, ang aking outfit for today, pambahay outfit. Ayan, I'm ready to go na guys. I'm ready to rampa. Ayan, pack na pack yung kanyang likuran guys. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan guys, diba, pack na pack siya. Ayan. So, that's it guys, my simple beauty, my simple fashion for today. Ayan, I really love it. Pack na pack siya guys. Yay, 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 yay.